Tell me, how did I end up like this? Alright. Guess what came in the mail today? My ring light. Ordered it off of Amazon. Let's see what's in this. Two packages. I hope the setup's easy. Unboxing. Oh, you got a little. How you open it though? It's the question. Wanted this so I can make my video quality better, cause we be doing podcasts. And even though it costs like $120, you gotta invest in yourself. Oh, that's cool. It has a carry bag with it. I think you can put it on your strap, or you can hold it like this. That's dope. Nothing else is in it. Did this come in it? Nah, that's not in it. Neewer. So this is the stand. Be careful with this. Not trying to buy it again. You got a pocket, some cardboard in it. I mean, not cardboard, but the little soft padding. Oh, I got cardboard behind it. I'll just leave that in there. Has a zipper, one, then this space, and then another space. I don't know if y'all can see that. Trying though. What is this? Oh, this is the stand. Stand. This is the stand. Came like this. Got some instructions. I'm gonna read the instructions before I mess around and do something wrong. Should be simple. Hopefully. The plug. This looks like a phone holder. Oh, I guess this is the little remote. Alright. Yep, it's the remote. Probably came with no batteries. I hope it came with batteries. Alright, so I'm gonna take this. Flip it upside down. Pull that like that. Dang, this thing's getting tall on me. I guess you screw this to make it tighter so it stays. Maybe not. Oh yeah, I just didn't tie it tight enough. So bang. I guess you loosen this up. That's one. Dang, this thing is about to get tall. That's tall. Wait, does it get bigger? Oh, it even gets longer. But we're not gonna need it to get that long. That's long. It's a little shorter, so y'all can see it better. Probably, I'm gonna just start from right here. But just so y'all know how tall it gets. And there's another piece. Yes. I'm gonna set that to the side. Take this. I gotta need these ones first. Oh, the light's already on it, so I guess this is for the okay. So it just snaps on. And I'm gonna try to be even with it. And bam! All that. For that. Alright, let's see what to do next. Dang, I need a screwdriver? It's a circle. It's pretty big, and it gets bigger also. Like, this isn't even the biggest it gets. Like the tallest it gets. I didn't get a symmetrical mirror. Like, why? Oh, alright, the mirror is separate, I guess. Gotta buy something separate. And let me see if this works. Bang. This I would have to tighten. Wow. Don't mind my broke camera. So, oh, you can place a laptop in it. That's cool. And I guess all you do is plug it up. Which is this. This is pretty long also. It didn't come on automatically. Do I have to turn it on? Oh, damn. Oh, snap. You could dim it. Oh my gosh, that's bright. Wow. All right, I'm gonna put it over here so y'all can just see the brightness. The brightness of this thing. This thing is super bright. All right. There's a little knob right here. Turn it off and on. It's on. It's on the lowest setting right now. That's not even the highest. God damn, that's blinding. This is gonna come in handy with the podcast. It's just taking pictures and everything. That's not even the this one. Should I show y'all what this looks like? Should I? It's kind of pain getting that on. Why not? Doing it for y'all. Doing it for y'all. Alright, let's show y'all what this does. Gives it like a tan. I don't know, this might be nice for the ladies with beauty. This one I can see, I don't have to, no, I kinda gotta close my eyes with this one too. This will blind you. It's kinda like looking at the sun. But that was the highest it got. That's low. I think it was a nice investment. Definitely if you're in the videos, want to take pictures, or get a podcast, this will definitely be a nice light to put in the background. So I'm gonna take all this up, but I'm not gonna hold you. Thanks for watching another review from me, B-Raw. Check out my other videos. I got other how-tos, music, podcasts. Let me know what you think.